can be written in different forms. Here's one form, and it's called the point-slope form. Let's do this problem. We're being asked to write the equation of a line with slope 4 through point 1, 2 in the point-slope form. Well, according to the form, it says y minus y sub 1, in this case it's 2, is equal to the slope, which is 4 here, times x minus, and the x coordinate is 1. And we're through. Let's do another one. That one's simple. Okay. We want to write the equation of a line. This time we're being given 2 points. One is 0, -2, and the other one is 4, 2. And we're being asked to write it in the slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form, you're familiar with that. That's the y equals mx plus b. Well, if we want to write it in this form, we need 2 things. We need to know the slope, and we need to know b, which is the y-intercept. Well, first thing, let's find the slope. We're given 2 points. How do you find the slope? Remember that? It's the difference of the y-coordinates over the difference of the x-coordinates. Rise over run. Remember that? Let's do it. Let's find the slope first. The slope, 2 minus a -2 over the difference of the x-coordinates, 4 minus 0. And that's equal to 4 over 4, which is equal to 1. So our slope is 1 when we have these 2 points. Now we need to find the y-intercept. Okay? Well, to find the y-intercept, let's still use the y equals mx plus b. Okay? We know the slope, and we know one ordered pair because we're trying to find the y-intercept. Okay? Well, let's use this ordered pair, 4, 2. I like using positive numbers. All right, y, we're going to substitute 2. We're trying to find b. Equals the slope is 1 times the x, we're going to substitute 4, plus b. And what do we end up with? 2 equals 4 plus b, and b is equal to a -2. If we subtract 4 from both sides, we're going to get b equals a -2. We know the y-intercept. We know the slope. Can we write the equation of the line through these 2 points in the slope-intercept form? Yes, we can. It's y equals, the slope is 1. We'll just go ahead and say x is understood to be 1, and b is -2, and we can just simply write y equals x minus 2. That's the equation of a line through these 2 points, and this is written in slope-intercept form. Let's try another one. In this example, we have the x-intercept as a -3 and the y-intercept of 2. And we're being asked to write the equation of the line in the point-slope form. Well, I don't see any ordered pairs, but I can write ordered pairs because I know the x-intercept is a -3. And writing that as an ordered pair, that's a -3, 0. And if the y-intercept is 2, that can be written as 0, 2. Now I have 2 ordered pairs. And now I can find the slope. The slope is equal to 2 minus 0. I'm going to start with the 2. Over the difference of the x-coordinates. It's 0 minus a -3. And that's equal to 2 over a +3. We need to remember that. the slope is 2/3. Now, it says write the equation in the point-slope form. Sometimes I forget these different forms, so let's go back to it. The point-slope form is y minus y sub 1 equals m slope times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So let's substitute. We're going to get y minus, let's use this ordered pair right here. I'm going to use this one. Y sub 1 is 0 equals, our slope is 2/3 times x minus a -3. So I'm going to make this brackets. Okay? Now, let's just go ahead and simplify this. Y equals 2/3 times, remember in subtraction, add the opposite. It simply will be x plus 3. Got it.